Hey guys, how's it going? It's been a while since I recorded a video, but figured I got a day off today, so I figured I'd hop on the bike and go for a ride and just do another video. Since the last one, I've replaced the circuit breaker for the lights. So no more flicky headlights, so that's nice. I can actually use it at nighttime properly now. But it's not too cold out today. Should start up pretty easily. Gonna need choke though. Perfect. Not bad for a 20-year-old machine. I don't know, this thing starts up really well. And it warms up in no time. Already warmed up. It don't take long for this thing. But let it warm up for a few seconds. Yeah, since the last video I also put some more air in the tires since they were feeling a bit low. They look a lot better now. But yeah, no more flickering headlights. They stay on all the time now. So she's warmed up enough now. Yeah, in this video I'm fucking voice cracked to hell. In this video I'm gonna go to Butts Pond, I think, which is a nice little spot. Haven't been there in a while. Yeah, it's futile trying to tighten those without a wrench. See if I can actually see something though. Okay. Somewhat. Yeah, these aren't gonna be of much use anyways, but yeah, she's warmed up enough now. Pop her reverse and get out of here. I'm also trying a different angle, different view angle for the GoPro. I have been recording on super view, but I don't know, I feel like it's just a little bit too zoomed out for me. I like it to, well, I mean, I'll see what this video turns out like, but I think I'd like it to be a little bit more zoomed in. Hey, Cooper. Careful over my dog's leash. On the road again.
I can't wait to get on the road again.
Yeah, we'll see.
Life I love is making music with my friends.
Turn on some extra light. Might as well get as much light as I can for you guys. But yeah, I was saying not many people are this time of year because there's a lot of weak-willed ATV drivers that don't like to do adventure rides because they're too cold. But then you'll get a lot of hunters. You know, that's one of the main uses for ATVs around here is hunting. Because obviously out here, well, I would be a little bit scared to encounter a moose or a bear. They would be like, jackpot. Well, I don't think bears. I don't know if you're allowed to hunt bears. Well, I guess I don't know much about hunting around here, honestly. So, but yeah, obviously it's nice to go hunting, and this is the season for it. But a lot of the weaker-willed adventure ATV riders don't go out this time of year, and there's obviously no snow, so you can't snowmobile yet. So the trails tend to be a bit more empty. There's a warming shack there, which is effectively just a building that's open to the public, I believe. that's a fire pit. I think we'll stop there on the way back. Just I don't know. That could be cool. Actually, I think that'd be really cool. Maybe start a fire. You know what? Yeah, we'll do that. Warming shack, camp out. There you go. I should have brought something to eat though. You know what? That could have been a good. I should have planned this out better. I should have went to the store and got some food, and then went into that warming shack and cooked something up. But yeah, we'll just stop in for a little bit, show you around, and well, I guess we can warm up because I got 2 jackets on and I'm really warm upper body wise, but my legs are a little bit chilly. Stay on the boards. Beautiful. There's Butts Pond there. And you can see there's other parts of it. Give you better vantage. Really nice area, you know, out here in the woods. Way back. It's close to the highway actually. Could take you up to the highway, get a thumbnail shot. Is that a car? Brother, that's a truck. I think that's a truck. What in the name of God? How am I supposed to get out of his way? What the fuck? Jesus Christ, man. This is an ATV trail, not a road. Okay then, that's going in the thumbnail. What the fuck? I almost got hit by him, dude. I had to go out in the woods. He was just coming, he didn't even stop. He didn't even stop, he just waited for me and I was like, all right, I guess I'm pulling him to the fucking brush. My brother, I know there's cabins out here, but you stop up there. You don't go that way. You don't, what the, how is he gonna get across the bridge? That bridge is too narrow for a fucking Dodge Ram, my guy. Oh my gosh, what a specimen. If he's blocking the bridge for me on the way back, I'm gonna be real pissed. Oh man, this is fucking power. This is entertaining to drive. Smell like cigarettes. I suck cigarettes. We're gonna take you out to the Butts Pond cabin area. This is where that guy likely would have. Oh, what's this? What is that? A partridge or a grouse? I think that was a grouse. Burp. That was a cute little encounter. Unlike that Dodge Ram that I also encountered. Yeah, I'll take you to the boat launch here. This is a nice spot. We used to come here all the time, just riding around. And it is a lovely place to just come in here. I mean, like, there's cabins around, but likely there's not a lot of people here unless it's a weekend. And oh, it's a good place to do some drifts like that. Yeah. Yeah, these little spots, just really fun. I'll show you guys the farm. I don't know if you can hear me, getting out of the wind, but well, I guess I got the wind filters, but yeah. Show you the farm. I haven't checked if we're still recording yet. I probably should do that as well, but there's a big fucking field here, and there's an old farm building up there that may or may not have had a lot of mischievous activities done by a lot of people in it throughout the years. I think my friends lit a fire up there once, not like to burn the building down, but like there's a stove in there and they just lit a fire in the stove. And we're just like, let's chill it here. things that kids do. I don't know. I don't know why you can't just stay home and chill there. You have to go to a abandoned barn and do it there, but yeah, it's kind of cool. Fun in the moment, but silly looking back on it. Look at all this splooshes. I love just like the feeling of getting on a bike like this, and like, you know, it would take you so long to walk out here, and like getting out here would be a chore with all the puddles and walking through the trails and like so many kilometers of walking. But I could take this thing and just go fast, and then still I could slow down and enjoy things and like, you know, act as if I'm just walking around and looking at these. This cabin, by the way, is fucking gorgeous. I want to say that. I don't know if I want to drive onto their property, but look at how beautiful that fucking log cabin is. That was expensive, but it's like real huge logs. I don't even know how they got those in Newfoundland, to be honest with you, but shipped them in, I guess. Here's another big, ooh, that's a deep puddle. A couple of felled trees. I'm gonna whip around here. Another little drift. Man, the power of this thing. It's so fun to drive and entertaining. Much more like that Arctic that I used to have felt a lot more boring, you know. It's a regular old 400. It's a bit lighter than this thing, but man, this thing feels more planted because of that. Heavier. But yeah, just look at this cabin again. Just the driveway even, like, and we're in the middle of the woods right now. And this person has a beautiful shed with a canopy over it and the absolute, like, most, I think one of the nicest cabins I've seen, period, let alone around here. It's a nice aesthetic on Butts Pond. And Butts Pond is, well, not a very particularly crazy pond or anything. I mean, you can see it, it's a nice pond. But yeah, beautiful cabin, for sure. Oh, I still haven't checked if I'm still recording. I think soon I'm just gonna pull off and stop the recording and check the mic quality and shields. And then we'll continue onwards back to the warming shack. So yeah, I'm just pretty happy with looking at all this stuff here. I was going to take you through the other way, the Butts Pond pit as well, but it's getting dark now. Well, I mean, yeah, I guess we could just go over there and then I'll end it off in the warming shack. That could do it, yeah. There's a little farm again. Not that you can see much of it now because it's getting dark. It really does not take long for it to get dark here, I'll tell you that. Yeah, I'll just pull off up here. Put on the parking brake. Yeah. I'd like to let's see if I even captured any of this. Well, I know I'm recording, but I don't know if the microphone is picking up well. Get some more shots. Looking good now in the nighttime, huh? She looks nice, man. I like the look of this bike. Oh, the fan kicked on. That's why the headlights dimmed. Oh yeah, we're still recording. But yeah, I'm gonna cut this off and I'll be back in just a second after I check it.